could you tell us something about your work on the exhibition Maribor project?
Yes, I can. Behind me you will see my biggest work in the exhibition is called The Ringing Cups. And it is a story about words and sounds. You have different words on these small metal plates. And there is different relays, and from a unit they got their trigger. And it is like air with words. Yeah. And they have a discussion together. And on these pieces you can see these barcodes. And it is the totally abstract idea of forest. Forest. You know, forest is, I think a lot of time about because I work with projections of forest, and it was too nice. So I want to find a more abstract form and picture. And when you think a little bit more about this, about the structure of forest, you can recognize it's light, black, light, tree, so the light between the trees, and so you can find an idea of a totally abstract forest. The question is why I'm interested in forest. This installation, this piece, is one of a big installation about sleeping. And I read a lot of sleeping, and it was very interesting to find out that the most scientists who think about and scientists about sleeping will come from Israel. Because they had this hard situation with war and power from others, from outside. So a lot of people can't sleep. And they begin really very earlier to think about problems of sleeping. So they put a lot of people inside their scientist laboratories of sleeping. And they can awake the people in the night when they recognize that they are dreaming. And they find out, after they have asked thousands of people in the night when they are dreaming, what are they dreaming? And they dream about strong situations. More than 70% were strong situations, from killing and whatever. So,
strong emotions.
They have stories of strong situations. On the Tod. Yes.
Very traumatic somehow.
Dramatic situation where you get in trouble. And they got the idea that our dreams, that some parts of our dreaming is like a rehearsal for normal days. Because when you will get in strong situations, you have not the time to rehearse.
So the mind and the body is preparing for very
in our sleeping we get prepared for strong situations when we are in our waking life.
I think it's also very important to know that you started artistic career as a musician, as a drummer, and you're educated printmaker.
Yes.
So, and this installation, I see both of your previous knowledges and professions. Like in these barcodes, it's quite graphic what the words could be, and again with the sound of words, and these sounds is again.
If you can nearby, you see these words are thrown into the metal. It's like a kind of printing.
It is.
Yeah.
It's actually engraving in the matrix.
It's also a special kind of printing. Yeah, you have it like this, or you put the color in deep inside. So it's for me it's important in my work that everything is important. This one is like drawing in a big, when you look at this work, where it's a big drawing inside the room.
So actually it's an installation and a drawing in the installation.
It's not, so often in these installations I have to think about these cables. They are like drawing.
So it is a line, the cable is a line of the drawing.
Yeah, you can use it. When you think about it, it's also white and black, and these words when go through, so then it's also important. Because
three-dimensional drawing.
Of course. And I begin as a musician, but when I go into media art, I feel also like a sculpture. Yes, it is. For me, it's really important to find a form that this object or sculpture is also perfect without sound. When it's not moving, it's not only a piece is doing sound, and that's it. The sculpture form and the sound are on the same level. They combine with them. You know, this is my work upstairs with this Fagel flat. Here is the same structure, form, music, and so on.
So you're part of the Maribor project, and Rebecce Horn was acting here also as an artist with her artworks and also as a curator. And so it's actually a dialogue with an artist, Rebecce, and curator Rebecce. How did this work for you? How is it working for you? This dialogue.
It's a beautiful work. We know a long time. She knows my works a long time. I know her works a long time. And I said yesterday, the most interesting thing on this exhibition is that you can get inside this exhibition on different levels. There's sound, light. There are the works from different artists. You have different rooms. You can have lines from one room to the other where works combined. You have stone works from Marcus, and you have the stone work from Marcus with sound. You have stone work from Rebecce, and it's moving. So it's like the English word, Phasenverschiebung.
Different, going through different phases and it's
only
connected.
Small if you nivelize it, small Gradation. In German I say Gradationsverschiebung.
It's hard to, but it's a good word.
When you have a compass, only one step to this, everything changes. It's the same
so it's
the same for the guests who will come inside this exhibition. And you go there, and it's different. And you have the level to see how Rebecce is freeing souls inside her installations. She brings the people back who maybe live in this house. She has a lot of thinking about the people maybe who live their stories. She is more dramatic. Other works are more abstract, but they come together. it's this glass work from Ali, catching the light of the room inside his object, and it's also this glass object maybe like this there. And this is very beautiful. Rebecca, she works so long time, and she can see different things. She has a good eye.
I think she sees with one side on many different levels.
Yes.
And I think this is also, the exhibition is made that, you know, every viewer who comes can really feel it on different levels, like with the body, with the mind, thinking, with hearing, and it's really Gesamtkunst, I would say. So you do feel.
Yeah, come in the morning, it's a different light, and come in the evening. And maybe someone has the chance to be alone inside the rooms, then you can hear the sound is moving from one room to another.
The dialogue
combines, the sounds of him, the saxophone, and the singing, and you have here this click-clack, and then this player from Marcos, and the violin from Rebecca, so it comes together on this level. Also, all have their special way. That's important.
Special language.
Special language, own language.
Their own. That's
okay, I think that's it.
Yes, thank you very much.